Welcome to the ICT application week 6. Today we are going to discuss about the tables. After completion this lesson, you will be able to understand ways of organizing your content using tables. And also you will be able to creating and drawing a table, formatting a table, converting between text and a table, aligning and orienting text in a cells, inserting and deleting rows and columns. Let's go to the introduction part. If we write a paragraphs of data, it is very difficult to correlate them. To quickly get an idea about the relationships of data, items and organized data, we can use grids. Grids also known as tables. So, can't we use tab to organize data? In your tab formatting, we have learned to use tabs for design tables. But anytime you need an information in a table or a columns and rows, it is very easy to create a table in MS Word than tabs. Word tables can be resized and rearranged to fit your data. So there are two ways to create a table. First option is draw a table, or you can first write the text and convert into table. You can use both options. The table button command can be found in the Insert tab. When you use this Insert tab, there are two options. You can create tables by drawing a table and create an instant table. Create an instant table means you can select the rows and columns what do you want, then you can click that option, automatically table will generate. If not, you can draw the table. The steps are here, you can follow the steps. And formatting tables. When you create the table, here you will get additional tab called Table Design. You can hear this, there are so many formatting options. So let's move to the formatting tables, deleting cells, columns, rows, inserting columns and split cells. When you create a table, if you want to add in some rows, when you right click here, you will get these options. Selecting these options, you can do the modification. I will show you all the things during the tutorial. And aligning and orienting text in a table. As I told you earlier, when you create this table, click the right click button, you will get this dialog box. Then there is an option called text direction. When you click there, you will get this dialog box. You can oriented or aligning the text you want. Moving on to the table properties. In here, there is an option called Table Properties. By clicking this table properties, you will get this dialog box. It also has the properties of table, whole table, row, column, cells, etc. By clicking these tabs, you can format your table. And also designing a table. As I previously shown you, in your table design tab, there is an option called designing styles. When you click this arrow, you will get there are a lot of table designing options. You can select either one. And merge cells and split cells. When you want to combine the cells, you need to select these cells and right click. There is an option called merge cells. By clicking that command, you can combine the cells. Split cells. If you want to divide your cells into 2 or more cells, you can select the cell what you want, right click, then you will get the split cells option. By clicking, you will get this dialog box. You can select the numbers and rows. You will get splitted cells. Moving to the converting between text and a table. Let's talk about the convert text to table. As I shown you here in show and hidden button, you need to first enable this, then you need to use the text by the command. This button shows paragraph marks and other hidden format symbols. Then you need to write your text by using commas or tabs. Here I have shown you this example. Then you need to go to Insert Table option. In there you have Convert Text to Table option. By clicking that, you will get this dialog box named as Convert to Text to Table. So if you want the columns and rows, you can mention here. You can select here. By clicking that, you will get your text into table. And convert table to text. Select the rows or table what you want to convert to text. Under the table tools on your layout tab, there is an option called convert to text. In the convert to text box, under the separate text width, click the separate character you want to use in a place of column boundaries. Then click OK. OK. So you can see by using this convert to text, you will get your table to text. Let's go to the tutorial, then you can get clear understanding about how to do the table formatting. In this tutorial, let's talk about the tables. In your Insert tab, you have a group called Tables. When you click this table drop-down menu, you will get the Insert Table and Draw Table. So, Insert Table means you need to select your rows and columns you want. You can see the table is drawing on your document. I select this. If not, you can select Draw Table. For your easiness, I take this Instant Table Creation Insert Table option. Right. Then you can do the modification. You can type title here, course name of the student, NIC number. Likewise, you can give headings. If you want add more rows to this, you can right click here. You will get this option, insert column to left, insert column to right, insert row above, row below, or insert cells likewise. If you want to get the row below, I can click here. If you want to get row above, I can click. If you want to get more column, if you think you need to get the left column, select here and insert column to left. So you can insert column to left, or you can select either column to right. So here also I mentioned as date. And by clicking this one, you can give border styles to your page. Here you can give the styles, and if you want to shade your rows, you can select the rows, you can give colors. And moving on, the table styles, if you want to get a style, you can select from here. There are so many patterns of table grids you can select. And also, if you want to merge, if you want to combine your two cells, just you need to select you need to select these cells, right click, give merge option. If you want to split one cells into two or more, keep your cursor that cells, right click, select split cells. In this time I change it as 3 column 1. Here you can see your cells get divided into 3 cells. This is the main options that we can identify in the table formatting. Moving on, when you convert your text to table, I get this example. For that, you need to visible this formatting, show and hidden formatting marker. This shows the paragraph markers and other hidden formatting symbols. When you open this, you will get all the formatting symbols you have done. Then, if you want to convert your text to table, you need to write using these commas and tab positions. You need to write your text using comma and tab position. So for this, I will take another one. Likewise, you can get. Then you need to select the text. Go to insert Then here you can see convert text to table option. Click there. It will ask the table size, number of columns 3, number of rows 3. It automatically comes separate text as tabs. We have used tabs, so it takes automatically separate text as tabs. So when you click here, you will get this table. And if you want to convert your table to text, for that you need to select the rows you want. Then click here. You need to first select the table rows. Then in your layout tabs, the table design, next to the table design tab, there is an option called layout. When you click there, you have the option convert to text. It asks separate with tabs. So when you click, you will get the text. So I hope you got clear understanding of table formatting.